Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will create a steel made steamer rack for the kitchen purposes. Okay, let's start. File, new, part, this one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white. Unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay, sketch. So I am taking front plane sketch. Okay, I am taking this center line here, this one. This I am taking this line, this one. This line dimension I am taking 100 mm, only 100 mm. Okay, and sketch is fully defined. Okay, but in surfaces, in tab section there is surfaces. If you don't have surfaces, right click any tab and check its surfaces. This tab will come here. Surfaces, revolve surface here. Automatically selected the center line about 360, whole 360 degree. This one, this is surface. This is revolve surface. Now I am giving the color here. This one, appearance, I am giving this color, this one. Okay, again front plane. Again front plane, this one, sketch, normal. Okay, this make the sketch line, take this line, this one, horizontal line, this one, make the distance from the center line, this center point to this one, I am taking 10 mm, this one. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 100 mm, this dimension. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Now this one. Now go in the future, extrude boss base, mid plane, this is 20 mm. You will see this is 20 mm, but I am selecting thin future, one direction. This I am taking downward 30 mm. This one, actually this I will make the legs here, support. Okay, this one, this I have made this one. Okay, now in future go in the fillet section, this one, this and this one, second box. This is the full round fillet. I am using this option, full round fillet, this one, and third one, this box. First select the box and then three faces select this one. Sorry, this one. Now this time I am constant fillet, this one, first option, this fillet, this one, I am selecting this edge, this one, and this I am taking 10 mm circular dimension, circular, and hit the right button. This I am making. Now again fillet, third option, fourth option, full round fillet, first box. Now you select this and this one, and sorry, delete only this one. First select the box, now select this face, third box, this face, and hit right button, this one. This I have made. Okay, and now I will make a support for this rack. How I will make. Okay, now go in the 3D sketch. Please carefully note this thing. 3D sketch. Now select this edge, right click on this edge, select tangency. This whole outer edges are selected, tangency edges. Now convert entity, this one, this is outer edges are this one, converted. Now go in the future, sweep boss base and circular profile, this dimension I am taking 3.5 mm. Okay, and path is this one, option, unmerge, please unmerge this, merge tendency faces, align with end faces. Okay, and hit right button. This is our sweep. Okay, later on with this body will delete here. Okay, now what I will do, top plane, now I will make the middle portion. Okay, normal, the circle, this one I am making this, this you you make a line, center line here. This one. This distance I am taking. This distance I am taking 30 mm. This one. This dimension. This one. Don't give the dimension this circle. Don't give the dimension circle. Only this you give this dimension, because I will use this dimension in the linear pattern for the very sketch option. Okay, please note this thing. This one. Now this one, future sweep boss base. Sweep boss base circular profile. This one I am taking this die, this time 3 mm only. This time and thin feature, and select this. This one. Now option. Option again unmerge it. Unmerge. Please unmerge this. This I have unmerged, this I have unmerged. Okay, this one. Now this. Now I will make a pattern in the, at a distance of 17 mm. Vary how I will make. Go in the linear pattern. Linear pattern. This one direction. You will see. Now you will see here in the bottom. Very sketch pattern is inactive. Okay. Now when I select this dimension, you please note this thing. This one. Now you will see the very sketch option is active. Okay. Now future, in the future you select this sweep and direction 1. Direction 1 I am taking 17 mm distance. This at a distance of 17 mm I have made the 5 pattern. Okay. And second direction you please check 1 only. 1 of them. Okay. This dimension. Future I have selected, dimension 2 is only 1, direction 2 and direction 1 is the 5 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at a distance of 17 mm. 5 pattern. And bottom you will see very sketch option. This, you please note this thing. Very sketch option, full preview. Hit the right button. This one. Now I will lift this above 3.5 mm so that it will be above this support. Legs. How? Go in the direct editing. Direct editing, you give any tab and tab section, check the direct editing here. This will tab come here. Now here select move copy body. In direct editing, move copy body. Okay, this option come. Select the translate here. Translate this move body. First select this body, this body, this body, this body, and this body. And y direction, because I have to lift in the direction of y. So how much? 3.5 mm. This one. This is moved. Okay. Please uncheck this copy body. Otherwise it will make a copy. This one. This one. It has been lifted. This one. Okay. Now in the direct editing, go in the direct editing and direct editing, delete body, this body delete body. This is the delete body. Direct editing, delete body, this one, delete body, delete key body, delete this option and select this one, select body, this will be deleted because this body was unmerged with this sweep. Okay, now hide this surface, this one, hide it, this one. Okay, they are the 6 solid bodies. Okay, this one. Now I will make a circular pattern of this leg support, which are in level with the ground. Okay, how I will make future circular pattern, this select outer one and select bodies. This one. 360 degree, three pattern. Okay, and this I have made it. This one. There are the variety of the steamer rack are used for the kitchen. I have made one of them. Okay, this is in this way you can make. Now you can apply the material also here. This one, apply edit material. Mostly these are of the stainless steel here. This is you can use stainless steel, annealed stainless steel, normalized stainless steel. I am using this is stainless steel. You can use suppose 3 soda, 3 unless this one. Apply close. This is the, now you can give the color. Surface revolve, okay, extrude thin. I am giving the this color sweep one. I give the appearance from this in future table. This one. Check this scroll button. This will extend it, and first you select in the front of sweep here in the appearance section. This appearance section, go in the front of this sweep. Select here, click here, appearance. Select the required click. Either you can select from here the appearance or this one. Suppose I select this one and this one. This is the circular pattern. Select this copy appearance and this one circular pattern. This one paste appearance. Okay. Now come in the sweep 2. This one appearance. This one. You select this one. This is now what is this one? Linear pattern. Select this one, copy appearance, select this one, paste appearance. In this way you can make it and this one. So in this way you can actually in order to make this product, I have used the revolve surface, direct editing, delete body, and move body. And so these commands I have circular pattern, linear vary pattern I have used. So I hope you would have liked this video. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.